In this video, I'm going to show you the basics of how to create a union in Zoo Design Studio. A union is simply merging of two bodies. I have body 1, body 2, my cylinder, and my cube. And to do a union, we're going to go up to this button right here that says Union. We'll click it, hold Shift, and select our two bodies. Click the arrow and confirm. And now this is a watertight single object. Now I'll show you how to do a union in KCL. First, let's open up the KCL code pane. And now I have my two bodies, here and here. And union is quite simple. We just call in union. You can even hit enter to autocomplete, and we're just going to pass in as many bodies as we want. So here I have body 001 and body 002. And once we pass in both to the union, it merges them together. And there's a bit of a trick here as well. We can do a shorthand technique where we could just say body 001 plus body 002. That is the equivalent of doing a union. You can see it made them watertight, and now it is a single object.